Hello and welcome to another update video. Today we want to talk about PYTH, PYTH. I don't know how to best pronounce this. It doesn't matter. But it is one of the charts that we identified as an interesting setup in our community. It is not a chart that I ever covered on YouTube before, but as part of our membership, we offer, especially for gold members, we offer additional setups. Yeah, they will typically be presented there first. Another one we had recently was with dog with hat, which was just an amazing example of Elliott waves at work, which worked out nicely. This one here could be the next one. We presented this wave 2 support area as the price was coming down in this ABC structure, and the price dipped into the support region. And then a few days ago, I shared with members that the price should reach the yellow box next, and we are there now. There is still space in the box. Okay, so this is the first target that we're looking at here. And well, there are now a few markers that we need to talk about. First of all, it is a bullish structure because the initial move up can count as a 5-wave pattern to the upside. In what I have labeled as wave 1, we have the wave 2 pullback, and the third wave rally should minimally reach $2.32 or $2.31, ideally $2.78 plus. So that's sort of the next key milestone. And then we should get a wave 4, might pull back into the region around 170, and the wave 5 should get to $3.79 or more. It might go higher, but that also depends on the third wave. If the third wave goes here, we might see the wave 5 get to 624. Okay, so it all can shift to the upside. It depends on the structure, how it develops. This is currently a roadmap, ideal structures, and we'll see how it evolves. But it's a bullish structure because we have 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and now it's rallying. And yeah, there are now a few markers to watch. Okay, so first of all, it's a bullish structure. Okay, so I'm looking at higher prices. If the market likes us and if the market is generous, it will provide another wave 2 pullback. It is absolutely possible that this was already a small 1-2 setup. The structures are not clear enough for that. Normally, we want to see a wave 2 pullback before the price breaks above the 61.8 extension. And if this was the wave 2, it was not clear. Well, there might always be another 1-2 setup, but at the moment it's just going, okay? As you can see, one of the winners today. Now, ideally before breaking above the 61.8 extension. Okay, if it breaks above that level, there's one more level to watch. In this case, $1.29. This is 78.6 extension. If it is technically possible that the wave 1 stretches out to that level, but anything above that, anything above the 78.6 extension would suggest that we should stop looking for a wave 2 and that we are already in the third of a third wave. And that can reach $1.70 or more. And then wave 5 of 3 should reach, as I said, $2.31 as a minimum, ideally $2.79 or more. So there are certain minimum levels to watch, okay? So hopefully they are clear. And then certain pivots, really, that if crossed directly will suggest that we will get the move done directly without any deeper pullbacks. And above $1.03, it's getting more probable that we're taking the direct move without a nicely structured 5-wave pattern. It might just do it directly then, yeah? But okay, we can then still watch at $1.29 if the price forms a wave 2. But anything above that means we're going down, we're going up more directly. And that's absolutely possible. Cryptos do this all the time. There isn't always a deep pullback. I shared today in our member live stream how third waves can be traded. If you think you missed the boat, what are some strategies that help you to deal with FOMO, as well as how strategically you can still look for entries even if there are no pullbacks. Even now, I mean, it's still a decent reward to risk ratio. Yeah. Obviously, it is worth understanding that the third of the third wave, that's the main element of the trend. That's where typically the money is being made, and that's the easiest trade, always. As we get into the wave 5 of 3, it's getting a bit choppy, and then the last 4 or 5 is like the icing of the cake. No guarantee this will happen, but for now it's looking good. And once these 5 waves are done, we should get another wave 2 pullback. But I'm not sure if this is going to coincide with the bull market top. Okay, it can take a while. We could play out this third wave, then a fourth wave could correct several months, depending on how strong the third wave is. So we'll see. We have to take it level by level. But hopefully that gives you an understanding that this structure is quite bullish. I mean, take it, the context is obviously a chart with a short history, but we're still very early, I think, here. The structure, however, doesn't really give us significant profits. Like, it's not like a 50x or something. It might do, if things go well, maybe a 5 to 10x, if it's going well, but still worth watching. Good reward to risk ratio, decent structure, clear parameters. So hope you liked the update about PYTH. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.